Hey everybody, it's Jeff G. Holt from V-Twin Visionary, and I am here today with some of the goods from Beringer brakes. We are fortunate enough to have the first 6-piston radial calipers in the United States for testing and review. We'll be putting this on the Mega Motor Bagger. Also, what's new is they have spoke mount rotors for baggers now. They haven't had that before, so we also have an exclusive on that as well. And thirdly, they have their own radial to axial adapters now. Before they were using third-party ones, and now they took it upon themselves to have their own. As you can see, they are beautiful. We decided, since we've used a bunch of colors on all the other bikes, that we were going to use raw aluminum. It looks really, really cool. It's not as machined. It actually has a clear coating on it. But as you can see, it is super nice. So we'll be putting this on our 200 horsepower, 159-inch bagger and showing you just how well these things stop. V-Twin Visionary, Beringer brakes.